Hey guys, welcome to another quick video. And recently we posted a shorts about Miui 12.5 enhanced edition for this wonderful device, that is the Mi 11X, and right now we have a quick update to that. In this video we're going to see how to install Game Turbo version 4.0 on any Miui 12 or 12.5 device without having to root. But before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each video, you will find a link to our Telegram community where you have more than 1,000 like-minded people chatting with each other, so you can join us there. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so right off the bat, this particular APK is a security APK which we are going to install, and I'm just going to show you a quick process. It should work on Miui 12.5, the POCO X3 Pro, the K20 Pro and the Mi 11X as well. So first, what do we have here? Let's go ahead and check the details of the existing security application version. It is 5.5.0.210.722.0.2, and the file that we have downloaded, it is 5.5.8, and let's see over here 5.5.0. so this of course is a updated version. Now this is a Chinese update that I'm running, but you might be on an Indian version or a global version of the ROM, so you will have a different security version. And if you have a look over here, you go to security and say you go to the Game Turbo that is included in this. Let me show you some slight changes over here. The home page orientation, let's change it to horizontal and let's launch it again. There you go. It's now known as Game Space and it looks a little different. But if you see, for example, if I go ahead and launch an app which is there in Game Turbo, say I launch Antutu Benchmark over here. Game Turbo boosted successfully. This is still the old Game Turbo, and we do have access to another Game Turbo which is a newer version, that is 4.0, but it did have some text in Chinese. So this APK that we are going to install is going to give us the Game Turbo in English. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing to do here is of course press and hold security, go to app info, right, and clear data, that is clear all data. You need to make sure that you uninstall all the updates. That's the whole point behind doing clear data, because I did not have an option to do uninstall updates. So make sure you do uninstall updates. Now go to file manager, see this APK over here, allow, and let's quickly go ahead and install it. Okay, now let's open the security app. Let's go to the left, let's have a look at Game Turbo. As you can see over here, it still gives us the new look because we have not added any games. Let's go ahead and maybe add, and let's add, say, any application we can add. We have Antutu 3D Bench, then we have Geekbench, so let's go ahead and add those. Let's close all the applications from the background. There we go. So let's go to Geekbench over here. Okay. Now the moment you swipe from the left to right, you will see that you have the new Game Turbo available over here. Now this experience will of course vary from device to device. In some device some features might not work, or in some devices some features will work, but as you can see over here, this is absolutely the brand new Game Turbo. Everything now is in English. You have this different screen saturation over here. You have the option to turn off screen cast, Wi-Fi, clear memory, do not disturb, screenshot, record, and you have the option of settings over here as well. And you do get access to the complete new UI as well. There is no harm in doing this. It works on almost all 12.5 enabled devices. You can definitely go ahead and give it a try, and if you don't like it, the only thing that you need to take care of is go ahead and do uninstall updates and you should be just fine. This is a quick video. Let me know in the comment section if it helped you or not. I will be getting back to you with a lot of interesting content today, tomorrow and day after, and we will be doing live streams as well. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.